Today we're showing you a 2014 John Deere 4066R tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a John Deere 440R quick attach front loader. The tractor has just over 500 hours. It's in excellent condition. Front bucket barely has any paint out of it. A couple scrapes up top here, but barely has any paint off of it. It's got the level indicator bar, front grill guard. Paint's in really nice shape. A little scuff here on top of the loader. Ag tires. 13/6/28s, those are loaded. It's got the gear drive transmission. Stabilizer bars back here, top link, rear hydraulic outlet. Got the control to raise and lower your 3-point arms. Toolbox here in the fender, extra side lights. This is the Premium R series, so it's got all the bells and whistles. It's got the power reverser transmission, which allows you to change direction without clutching. 4 gears here to the side are all synchronized. The ranges back here, you do have to stop to shift. Got a total of 12 speeds. Your 4-wheel drive engagement, park brake, differential lock. Your rear hydraulic control there and the loader joystick. To the right, you've got your light switches, PTO switch, etc. Very, very clean tractor. And again, just over 500 hours. Tractor must pass a 40-point inspection prior to pickup or delivery so you can buy with confidence. We also offer trucking and financing. If you have any questions, please contact us.